Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need the console and both controllers ready. Plug in or sync the second controller now. Once done, sign the second player into a local profile or guest account on the same console because split screen requires 2 local players. Make sure Fortnite is updated, then launch the game and get both controllers into the main lobby. You don't need menus beyond the lobby. Start with the primary player active and have the second controller awake, so it can join promptly when prompted. With the primary player in the lobby, choose duos or squads. Those are the only supported modes for split screen. Then have the second controller press X on PlayStation or on Xbox to trigger the join prompt. Once the prompt appears, select the local profile or guest and accept. Why this matters? Fortnite ties split screen to multiplayer modes and local profiles, so skipping selection will block the second player. After acceptance, wait for both avatars to appear in the lobby before matchmaking. Start matchmaking once both players are visible. The game will load you into a single session on a shared screen. Make sure to adjust HUD size and enable performance mode in settings if frame rate feels low, because split screen has rendering demands. If the second player cannot join, troubleshoot. Disconnect and resync the controller. Ensure the second account is local or guest. Confirm Fortnite and console updates, and reboot the console if needed. Often a quick restart resolves profile or controller handshake issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.